Hey guys, this is an instructional video on how to make a paracord bracelet. Today is going to be the Cobra weave. You can see there, it's a really cool looking bracelet. It's very easy to do. I'm no expert. This is actually my first and only one I've made, but it was so cool that I figured I'd share it. So let's get started. First, you'll need a length of paracord for the center, and the center is the loop in the knot, and it runs right through the center. For this, you determine the length by wrapping it around your wrist 3 times. This one's a little short for me, but this is just for the instructional. And don't be afraid to make it a little long. It's always better to have too much. So once you have your length of paracord here, you can knot the end. It's not going to be permanent, so don't worry about making it too tight or anything. Alright, there we go. Alright, now that you have that ready, we need a way to hold it while we're making the bracelet. The easiest thing I found to do is to clamp it to a table, but for now I have this huge clamp here. We'll just take and stick the end right in the clamp, so it won't be going anywhere while we're tying the knots. Alright, now for the main part of the Cobra weave here, you need a pretty long piece of paracord. I believe I used 7 feet for this one. It was a little bit too much, but that's okay. Rather have too much than not enough. Since it's two-toned, you actually need to put 2 pieces of paracord together. You can see I combined it right there. So it's 2 3.5 feet pieces of paracord. For the instructional video, I just have a couple short ones here so you can see what I'm doing. I like the ends to be unmelted when I'm combining them. So I have a fresh melt on them here. Got my little Zippo. A candle works really well for this too. Today I got the Zippo, so don't want to hold them too close, don't want to start them on fire. Just get a nice melt on them here. Alright, it usually takes 20 seconds, 25 seconds to get them melted. Alright. Stick them together, let it cool down slightly, and then you can kind of smush it together with your hand, your fingers here. There we go. So it's nice and solid now. The nice thing about having a two-tone here is it's easy to keep track of which strand is which, and it's easy to find the center here. So you want to first lay it underneath your main cord here. I'm going to be calling this one the Coyote Tan, and this one's the black one. The Coyote Tan one, you want to loop over the front like this. Then take the black one and loop it on top of it, like so. And then it comes back under and up through the loop. It makes kind of a pretzel. You can tie that off, try and keep it centered. Alright. Once you have your first knot done, you want to take the Coyote Tan one again. It's just the opposite of what the other knot we did. Put it over the top. Take the black one over the top again, and then through the loop and make your pretzel. Tighten that down. Alright, once you have that done, I like to pull this out and check my loop size. You check to see if you can get the knot in and if it holds securely. I'll make this one slightly smaller. You can pull it out now. Put it back in your little clamp here. Alright. Now you can keep going. The nice thing about stopping and doing that now is it's easy to move this knot back and forth. So again, put the Coyote Tan one over the top. Take the black one, put it over the top of the Coyote Tan one, and make your pretzel here. Tighten it down. Make sure you're getting them nice and tight. The tighter it is, the nicer it will look. Once you're completely done, come all the way down. You can cut off the ends and melt them into the paracord here, like I did. You barely notice them, and it matches up with the colors. As long as you don't burn it, it'll match up with the color of the paracord. Stop every now and then once you're getting close, and make sure that it's not going to be too long. If you overlap the paracord on your wrist, then it's not going to fit right. Once you're done, you've decided the length of the Cobra weave, you're going to have a lot of access on the knot here, maybe an inch or two. What you want to do is retie the knot a couple times, find where it fits comfortably on your wrist, and then you're going to have access coming out the back here. Just cut that off and melt it into the knot there, and then you should be all done. Sorry about pulling the camera there. Yeah, if you have any questions about it or anything, leave me a comment. I might post another video if there's enough interest. If you want one of these, I may sell some. Just give me a personal message and we'll discuss price and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching.